this website. The link is in the resources section on OneFile or in a transcript for this video. It's very useful to do a step-by-step build a network. It tells you what to do and then builds them all for you. So for instance here we need a parallel cable, we connect them together. Connect our computers to a hub and connect our computers together, but we want to connect that to the internet, so we need a router. We need to connect our hub to the router, but we also need to connect our router to the internet, so we're going to have an ISDN line which connects to the router. But we want something else in between. We want to put in a web cache, which allows us to connect from our hub into the router. So our hub can actually get pages from the website without actually going to the website. Let's now put in a print server. And a printer. Connect our printer onto the network, and we can now delete all these other printers and the parallel cable. So we've tidied up our network by centralizing our printing resources. It's saying here, although the printing is being managed more efficiently, it's not as fast as it should be. It's because heavy use of the hub is causing something called a bottleneck. Let's change this hub to a switch. By changing it to a switch, data transfer is managed more effectively. We can now add on 11 more computers. And we need to connect all these up. So users can only access one computer which holds all their files. So changing that so everyone can access their files, we need to add in a file server, which we need to then connect in to our switch. And then you can tell this is quite an old one. I've got a tape drive as a backup and something called a SCSI cable. So this is quite old technology. However, backup could be another hard drive or another file server. Again, this shows its age. It's a multimedia server. Back in the day we used to use these for multiple CDs. And another one we can put in is our email server, which all connects into the switch now. So rather than going from the computer to the internet, it now goes to the email server. So mail transfer within the network is much quicker. So let's have a look at a larger school. We're going to have 2 more suites of computers, so let's have a new suite. And we need to add in our cable. So we've got 2 switches. Let's put some computers onto the system, cable them up. What topology would this be called? It's actually a star topology. Logical bus, physical star. And put an inkjet printer on there. And we need to cable that up. So these are local printers for the classrooms. But we've still got a bit of a bottleneck. So we've got all this traffic travelling down this cable. and then all that traffic combined is going down this cable. So our bottleneck is here. So we need to input a fast switch, and we need to delete one of the cables and connect into our fast switch. It's now got two separate connections. There's our network already built.